Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia, she is promoting her event, which will be on July 28th. So you guys need to go out and get your tickets. You need to get in contact with Marcia on her platform and also on her WhatsApp so that you can get information on how to purchase these tickets. And please remember to support our gala because big things will be going on there. She'll be having her artists like the Angels. So remember, go ahead and support Marcia. It's a big event. It's an event that you cannot miss. Be there.
So says next Sunday is the event. And so you have this week. You have few days left to pay. If you're coming to my gala, I want to make it clear this is not a gala to pay at the door. This is not a gala to pay at the door. So for the people who said they were coming, did not pay your ticket yet, you have to call in and pay for your tickets. We have to organize stuff. So we know say when according to promoters, they said that Jamaican people don't like to pay in advance and they love to pay at the door. Well, I'm going to let you know this is not a door. This is not an event to pay at door. So this is not an annual event for a party person who keep party. This is a one-time 50th Marcia Evabless celebration. And rules and regulation must be committed in that form of way. When you're doing an event like this,